Today we're picking up a toolbox from my friend's Spiegels, the Snap-on toolbox. So we're gonna go to U-Haul and rent a utility trailer so we can pick it up.
We're here picking up the trailer. You need help? How does that work?
It just locks so it doesn't pop off.
So pretty much you're twisting it till it tightens. It's pretty in there, I guess. So this is the Xterra and the trailer. I'm really glad this trailer has a ramp. Makes life easier for us to just pick up the toolbox, slide her in there, strap her down, and go. Up and the trailer has been really good. So we made it to Smeek's house and we are checking out the toolbox. It looks good. We're about to load it up on the trailer and head out. You check out the little puppies. Oh, they're so cute. Toolbox and now we have to, oh man, that would have been so much perfect timing. So we're trying to cross this freeway because there's so many cars coming, but look how much, like we have to go to that side that way. Oh god, yeah, I don't know, babe, got a while to wait. Okay, clear. It's clear on my side. Oh, go, go, go. We made it.
That's right.
So, I don't know if you can see the toolbox. Oh, you could kind of see it. So the toolbox right there. Now we're gonna head home. I think there's gonna be a lot of traffic. So when we left Smeek's, we were at 68 miles. And it's 68 miles to get back to our destination. So right now, we don't even have, like, it tells you how many miles left on the gas tank for the gas, and it's dash, 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 dash. So right now, we're about to exit. Hopefully we don't run out of gas right at the exit. I'm really nervous right now. Today was daylight savings, so we spring forward. So we lose an hour of sleep. But at least we have more daylight, and I want to get a fire pit for the backyard. Oh, I see the gas station! And we made it to the gas station. Oh yeah! We made it!
We live life on the edge. We just got to the shop.
We're gonna unload the toolbox, clean it a little bit, and then go home. Behind me is the toolbox, so it's really cold now. Here you go, so you can see the toolbox. So here's the new toolbox. Classic 78. it down out of the trailer. But now we're gonna clean it a little bit and see how pretty this toolbox looks. So look dusty. Right here, right here, right here, right here. Well, we kind of cleaned it, as you see before. It was like super dusty, but we kind of got the dust off. So we got the dust off from here, but then there's still like minor things that like we could take off, like adhesive right here. Probably take that off with gasoline. What else? Just the little things, but everything else is done. Oh, and then we got this part off. So yeah, now it's clean. So we're done cleaning up. John's cleaning up, and pretty much gonna end it here. We're gonna head out and eat some food because we're hungry. It's like, look, it's still kind of light up. It's not. I mean, it's dark, but you can still see. There's still light right there. Give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you in the next video.